distributive laws. I think we know what it means to distribute. So the first one that we are going to start with is A union B, then intersection C is equal to what? A intersection C union A intersection B. This is what we are going to talk about, like this, not like this. This one to that one, even this one, B intersection C. Have you seen? So the intersection C there. So even when you are not told to prove this, you need to know that this means that. So whenever you are talking about this, it means that. This is what you need to know, and this is what you need to get. So let's make sure we understand this part correctly. We know how to go about this. So how can you prove now this? You need to know that A union B in brackets intersection C is equal to this. So how can you prove now? How can we prove this? 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 So the way in which we are going to prove this is that you are going to start with this one. So you are starting with this. So don't forget this. This is what you are doing. We are starting with, you say let X be a member of A union B intersection C. This is what I'm doing, and this is what I need to do. Meaning that X is a member of what? A union B. There is this one here, and intersection, and X is a member of C. This is what I need to do. Then I separate them. I separate these which are in brackets like this. I separate where I say X is a member of A, or X is a member of B, and X is a member of C, like this. This is what I'm going to do. After doing this, the other thing that I'm going to do now, the other thing that I need to do after I separate, the other thing I need to do is that I get this A. Have you seen? I'm going to get, this one is standing alone. So I'll get this one equated to C there. I also get this one equated, like I put them in a pair. This one with that one. This one with that one. Have you seen? This is how you are going to do this. So this is how I'm going to do this. So let's make sure that we understand. You know that these are like this. This is how they are. So you get this one here. You say X, to do this, X is a member of what? Is a member of A. This is what X is a member of A. Have you seen? X is a member of A. And X is a member of C. I put these together like this. I maintain O. There is O there. O. I'll go with this one. Open bracket. X is a member of B. And X is a member of C. I do this. So this is what I need to get. After I do this now, as you can see, I'm able to group this now, where I'm going to say that X is a member of what? I'm able to group this. X is a member of A intersection C. O is union B, like this, intersection C. So I've done this. I've done the first part, where I'm now going to say that since I was proving this, this is what I was proving. I was proving that one. So what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to say A in union B intersection C is a subset. This is how we do. Is a subset of this one. A intersection C, then I say union B intersection C. So I've done that. So here, what I was doing, I say hence. So I can put the word here. Hence, this is a subset of that. So these are procedures you need to do. These are procedures that you need to understand. So let's make sure we know all these things that I'm showing you. Let's make sure that we practice all these stuffs that I'm doing here. We've done this. We also move to the other part. Okay. I'm just done with the first one. So I move to the other part here where I'm going to say this one like this. So from here, I start with that one. So where I'm going to say that, so since I've written this part which is here, I've written that part. So to create more space, I'm going to do this. So I create more space where I say, let X be a member of what? Be a member of that one which is there, which is a member of what? A intersection C. I do this. Union B intersection C, like this. This is what I'm going to do. Then I separate them. This means that X is a member of A and X is a member of C. I do this. There is O there, open bracket. X is a member of what? X is a member of B and X is a member of C, like this. From here now, where I'm going to say, okay, there is one thing which is in common here. One thing is in common. So I know that X is a member of A, or X is a member of B. So this is what I'm going to do. So let me lab this part. I did this part. So I say X is a member of A, or X is a member of B, X is a member of B. I do this. Then I say and X is a member of C. So what I'm actually doing here is that from here, I'm just coming from here, going this side up. This is what I need to do. This is what I'm doing. And this is what you also need to do. Once you do this, meaning that this, you know this. This is what? A union B and intersection the C which is there. Have you seen? So X is a member of this. X is a member of this. After you show, you say hence now. Say hence. Hence what? Hence what you started with. Hence. So I'm going to write it here. A intersection C. A intersection C union B intersection C is a subset of what? A union B intersection C, like this. This is what you need to do. Where you conclude and say, this is your conclusion, you are going to say, therefore, you say, therefore what? Therefore, A union B intersection C is equal to A intersection C union B intersection C, like this. Hence proven. This is how you need to prove, and these are steps that you need to get. So let's make sure that we understand all these procedures that I'm doing here, all these procedures that I'm showing you. Let me give you another last one. I give you the last one. I see how you are going to prove this. So prove this one. Prove. So this is the question. This is the question. Prove that. So I want you to prove that A intersection B union C is equal to what? Is equal to A union C intersection B union C, like this. I want you to prove this one. I see if we have understood what we've discussed, all the procedures that we've done. So let's prove this. Let's see how we are going to handle this. Let's see how we are going to answer this one. Thank you so much. And don't forget to share. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment. Share this YouTube channel with your friends. Share this YouTube channel with your colleagues. Thank you so much.